now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me.
Okay, impressions on this palette. I'm gonna use it in this video because I'm about to do a look for you guys, but ooh, I do this to myself. I'm gonna talk and start my eyebrows at the same time, so be prepared for a talk through. I'm getting a little closer. I dipped into the palette. A lot of product came off of the color, whatever color I dipped into. I was like annoying most of the time. Like, it wasn't like, I didn't really have like total problem with that. Like, that's not like a bad problem, but it was like annoying when you're trying to do your makeup and you got like hella dust product coming off of what you just dipped into. I just feel like all that product coming off is kind of like wasting my product, because you feel me, like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I like the palette. I like the color range. I like everything about it. It's just that one little thing. It's just like powdery as hell. And somebody, like, I've looked on someone's video, it was Manny MUA, and he said that it wasn't the Modern Renaissance, it was the other one, the something culture. I'll try to look it up. But it was the other palette that Anastasia Beverly Hills came out with, and they already said like the colors were not blending, the colors were powdery as hell. And you know, I believed them because of the way, like, it was like so many people were saying that. But I don't know, it's just like, for me, I have to see it for my own eyes, and I can see it with the Modern Renaissance palette. Like, it's like powdery as fuck. And I'll fast forward to my brows and I'll be right back. Okay, so brows are finished. I'm just going to prime my lips. You don't like it. I'm getting powder everywhere. When I say brows take me like probably like majority of our fucking time, I mean it. That wasn't cute either. Hold on. Okay, this is a little bit better little spot, you know, for real. I'm so ghetto sometimes, like, dead. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. Prime it for other makeup. See, here go my face getting red again. When I tell you I'm really red, like, it doesn't matter what happens. Like, I can do this, my face will get red. You see this redness? Mess. I swear, I'm like a red bitch. Look at this lighting. It's a mess. As I said, I'll show you guys the colors or whatever. I'm going to get into actually showing you guys how they blend and work. You see, it's so pretty. Like, so we ready to see how they work and stuff. Well, I know how they work. I don't think you understand till it hits you like it hurts. I think I'm gonna take burnt. Alright, I'm gonna take burnt orange and I'm gonna put that in my crease. But I did this look already, and I did it before I filmed this video, so I wiped it off and I already show y'all. Like, I always do it, and then in the middle I'm like, fuck, I should, well, yeah, fuck, I should really like record this. And taking burnt orange. Now, if this lighting will let me be great, I don't know. All right, there you go. So you see all that dust coming up from it, like, is it just me? You saw that? What? It's a mirror in here, so that's what I'm gonna use to look at what I'm doing. So I'm just going to put this in my crease. That's burnt orange. Doesn't look burnt orange to me. It looks like a brown. I'ma call up Brian, FaceTime Brian. I'ma text Lorenzo, and I'ma leave you crying. You can see. Don't mind my face. It's like still recovering.
Everybody say it with me. Still recovering. Yeah.
Alright, so after I blend that color out, I'm gonna go in with my, that was like a angled blending brush. I'm going to go in with my blending brush by Elf. It's a blending brush by Elf, and I'm just going to take Regard, and I'm going to put that right underneath it. Okay, let me get over here. Oh, you don't ever be doing nothing but and you be asking everybody to do something with you, but they all be busy, right? But when everybody want to hang out with you, you can't go out. Anyway, yeah, I hate that, man. I think with burnt orange, and I'll blend those two together. Already, I'm liking how these colors are blending together. I don't know. You take Love Letter. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take Love Letter, which is that pretty, why do I always leave the brushes in my hand? Which is that pretty pink right there. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner, like literally on the outer corner, and then I'm going to sweep it in. With that Elf brush, I'm going to take Real Gar, and I'm going to blend those two together. Now I'm going to go back in with burnt orange, and I'm going to blend out the edges, make sure everything is still there. Now this look is looking to go in underneath my eye. I'm going to do the same thing I do all the time, go in with fawn, and then over the top of that my L'Oreal concealer. Know what I got? Putting that right underneath my eyes. Kind of like, and not really for it. With that being done, I'm just going to set that, and then I'm going to move on with probably the rest of my face, because I think I'm ready to start with my face. I'm going to take a break from the eyes. I'm going to start in the face and show you guys what I do when I do that. NYX Total Control, but I'm going to mix it in with my Sephora foundation. I just feel like the NYX foundation, I have a video on this review coming up, but I just feel like it's just like a little bit too light. I'm just putting that on the rest of my face. You can see that NYX Total Control really, I don't know, it's too light for me. Head, but the bottom part, yeah, real nice. Alright, I'm going to go in. Okay. From a Profusion palette, finally. I'm going to do my contour. I'm going to use my concealer and it's making me sad. My concealer in the color Toast. With my big fluffy brush, I'm just going to set the rest of my face with my powder in this Profusion palette. That means under the eyes. I didn't even blend out my forehead. What the hell am I tweaking for? There we go. On my forehead. Underneath that contour. My bronzer. I'm taking the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. Just to give the face some warmth. Back to the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to take this color Red Ochre. This is just with a really defined brush, like angled this point. That's why I use it. Just to put that on my lower lash line. Just so you guys can see what I'm doing. I hate doing this eye. Y'all know my dilemma with this whole cut crease thing. It takes a long time to get it. I'm still not there. I be trying. I always end up getting frustrated and I just be quitting. Like just a lid right there. So I'm just going to where it's not eyeshadow at, I'm just going to carve that out. Like that. Similar with Laura Mercier powder. No additional product. I'm just going to try to blend over that concealer so everything's not completely taken away. That brush that had Love Letter on it, no additional product. I'm literally just going to put it right here. That's it. Probably like a few dabs right there. Now, into that concealer right there. With this flat brush, trying out Antique Bronze, which that's what I'm going to put on my lid. First, I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to get the brush, pack on Antique Bronze, which is this pretty one right there. I'm going to pack that on, fan it out a little bit. I'm going to put it where we placed that concealer at. I'm sorry. Can't really see it, but I think it added a nice touch to it. Now with the other side of that brush, I'm just going to get Primavera, which is that pretty gold shimmery color on the inner corner of my eyes. I really don't have to spray this brush because these colors, those shimmers are freaking pigmented. So now I'm going to hit my eyes with some mascara. Oh, and by the way, the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette did come with a brush. But honestly, this brush is way too harsh. Like, this brush is really harsh. I felt like it was scratching my lids when I was using it. This side isn't too bad. It's kind of soft, but I really don't know what I would use it for. Probably, like, placing a color in, like, my crease or whatever. But I still wouldn't use it for that. And we're all fixed. Hit my face with some highlighter. You know when you see this fan brush, you know what's going on. actually apply. You see that shine, girl? Okay, now. Now! Did y'all think I was gonna stop though? Oh no! 3 dots. Yes. Snatched. I'm going to mix these 2 colors. I'm going to put on the liquid one first. Now, I'm just going to go over with this MAC lipstick in the color Whirl. So pretty. So, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like... I hope you guys like this look. I would call this look probably like a dark cranberry look. I use this look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, you guys. Would I recommend this palette? Yes, I would. These colors were blendable. They're beautiful. You can create so many different looks. Like, you can create a cranberry look, a dark cranberry look, a dark orange look, this light purple. I'm curious to play with that. I have lipstick on my teeth. Anyway, guys, I love this palette. I give it a thumbs up. Now, I hate myself today. Anyway, if you guys like this tutorial, this review / face, all that good jazzy stuff, please give this video a thumbs up. I will be posting this, the link in my Instagram bio, Snapchat. If you want me to send the link to you, like if you're one of my friends, you want me to send it to your phone, please let me know. Please comment on this video if you guys liked it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel right now. I know you're scrolling. I know you see that little red little thing. You should just push it, you know. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't